Good morning, student. Now we will see the GST. See the question number 1, page number 6.26. So all of you open the book, page number 6.26, and question number 1. Past entries in the books of Mukherjee and Sons, assuming all transactions have taken place within the state of Uttar Pradesh. Assume CGST 9% and yes GST is also 9%. March 4. Purchase goods for 5 lakhs from Mehta Brothers. So 4th March, you have purchased the goods from Mehta Brothers. So purchase account debit. Input CGST account debit. Input yes GST account debit to Mehta Brothers. Amount of purchase is the 5 lakhs and GST rate is the 9%, so 45,000. That is total will be 5,90,000. Now, sold goods for rupees 8 lakhs to Munjal and Company. Date 10 March. So, Munjal and Company debit to sales account to output CGST and to output yes GST. Amount of sale is 8 lakhs. GST rate 9%, that is 72,000. So 9 lakhs 44,000. Now next one is paid for advertisement 40,000 by check. Date is 15 March. So advertisement account debit. Advertisement is expenditure, so you will pay the GST. Input C GST account debit. Input yes GST account debit to bank account. That amount is the 40,000 by check. 40,000 and 9%, 3,600, 3,600. So 47,200. Date 18 March. Furniture for office use 50,000. Purchased furniture for office use 50,000 and payment made by check. So furniture furniture account debit, input CGST account debit, input yes GST account debit to bank account. You have purchased the furniture for 50,000. So amount of furniture is the 50,000. 9% GST 4,500. So that is the 59,000. Next one, paid for printing and stationery 8,000. Date is given 25 March. So printing and stationery account debit, input C GST account debit, input yes GST account debit to bank account. Now amount of stationery is the 8,000. So GST 720. Now next point, 31st March, payment made of balance amount of GST. Now means balance GST you pay to government. Now how you will make the adjustment? How you will pay the GST to the government? Now you see, all the input CGST, SGST means this amount already you have paid to government, and output GST means this amount you have received the customer. So how much overall input you have paid and overall output you have received from the customer, you will make the adjustment and the balance amount you will pay to the government. Here is the simple case. This is the first one, this simple sentence, but sometimes problem comes when you have received the less tax and you have paid the more tax. Then how you will make the adjustment one? Here you will make the addition all the input CGST. Working notes, input CGST. You will make the addition 45,000 and here plus 3,600, and here you pay input 4,500 and here you have pay 720. So overall you have paid 53,820. So same amount will come, input yes, GST will also come same 53,820. You know, same amount will come. Now this is the total input. Now total output CGST. Here output GST is only one chance, that is 72,000. There is no any other. So total output yes GST, that will be also 72,000. Confirm? Now, how you will pass the entry for the make the adjustment? First you will make the adjustment of central government. Now central government input is 53,820. This amount already you have paid. So this amount you have not to pay. So this amount will be adjusted with the 72,000. So you will pass the entry output CGST account debit to input CGST, and this amount is 53,820. And same, now state government tax you will adjust output yes GST account debit to output yes GST account, that is same amount. Now balance amount you will pay to the government. So output CGST account debit output yes GST account debit to bank account. Total you have received 72,000 and 53,820 already you have paid the GST amount. So 18,180 rupees you will pay central government and 18,180 will pay to the state government. So 36,360 rupees you will pay to the government. This was a simple adjustment because here output GST was more than input GST. So thank you student.